found a video of an orca stalking a guy on a paddleboard.
Hey!
This woman gave birth to some really big babies.
I tried to copy that girl. You know, everyone knows her. It is not for the weak. I don't know if I'm just weak or my babies are just chunky.
All Tesla vehicles have security cameras that are recording at all times. This guy obviously did not know this because he thought he could scratch and dent a Tesla and get away with it.
Oh, you're so cute, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, that's such a cute smile. That's such a cute smile, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, you're so handsome.
This guy surprised his mom while she was on vacation in Italy, and she didn't even recognize him.
Give me looks.
Oh, Christ. Hello.
Oh.
Scared the crap out of me.
That's it. That's the response we get?
Holy Oh my God!
That's the response.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
An eagle swooped down to try and catch his bunny. A sea lion was being chased by orcas and jumped on this person's boat to escape.
Oh my God. Well, I was even...
The cool thing about chameleons is that as soon as they are born, they're ready to run around and move. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.